Hey, everybody. So, quick information. We've gotten a lot of requests for installing printers on specific devices, but that's something that we can all do. In this video today, this purpose is to show you how you can add a printer that's in your building to your Windows desktop PC. All right. This will not work on the Chromebooks because our Chromebooks are not enabled to print at this time. So, when I do this, I have a document up ready to go that I need to print. So this is just a list of Chromebook applications that are approved for junior high students to use. So when I'm ready to print this, I have a couple different options. The first thing I can do is go File, Print, or I can hit the print icon, or if I'm a shortcut person, I can hit Control P. So once I hit that print icon or Control P or go File, Print, it's going to load up a print preview for me. And what's going to happen is you're going to see that I have a preview of what it's going to look like if I were to print. It tells me how many pages, etc. So what I want to do is I want to change this because I don't want to send it to that destination. And maybe I don't want to send it to any of these destinations either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Manage. In the middle, it's a link. And once I click Manage, I'm going to then click on Printers. So when I click on Printers, it's going to pop up the Windows Printer service. And it's going to show me all of the printers that are located on my device that I have access to print to at this time. And you'll see that they're coded by name. So CJH, Coloma Junior High. If it says CIS, it's the intermediate. CES is our elementary, and CHS is our high school. But if it's not listed there either where I want to go, I'm going to go Add Printer. And what's going to happen is it's going to bring up a list of devices that are nearby, that are mapped on the network for me to print to. So if I want to print to room 46 or the lounge, maybe I want to print this to the teacher's lounge because I'm going to go grab my lunch in just a minute. So what I can do is I can hit this CJH lounge. And when I'm clicked on it, if I hit next, it's going to start the process of installing the printer. And it shouldn't take very long. It should be pretty quick and ready to go for you. So now that that's done, I should see right here, CJH Lounge. It's an HP 4250. All right, so now that that's there, I'm going to go back. I'm going to close out that window. I'm going to close out my settings page. I'm going to back out of this and hit cancel. And then once I go back into print, it should be listed as an option. So again, I'm going to change my destination once it loads, and I'm going to say, let's print to the lounge. And it's a recent destination because I just added it. So now that it's there, it's going to show me the preview. That a lounge printer is not colors, so it doesn't recognize that. But once I hit print, I should be more than ready to go, and it should print that list for me. I hope that helps you realize how easy it is for us to add our own printers to our device, to add our own destinations on our network to our device. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you around.